France, Wohlfahrt, Opus 74, Book 1, Number 1. This is in C major, so we have low 2s on D, A, and E, and a low 1 on the E string for our F natural until it otherwise says with an accidental. One of the reasons that I love his exercises so much is because they're extremely practical. You are able to get really good finger foundation arpeggios and patterns that reoccur in other pieces. But then he also gives suggestions of different bowings. So we start out just doing the piece, getting our fingers used to it. Then you would do it probably staccato, slur 2, then slur 4, then slur 8. Notes, I mean, not beats, or you could do beats. And then slur 2, staccato 2, da 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 da. All really good ways to practice these. Try to confuse your bow so that your fingers can be even stronger in the future. So, let's take it from the top. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And